Diamond horse step squat. 200 beats per day. It's not a dream to have a strong kidney qi. Taoist detoxification exercise. Form 1. Swing arms to open up the heart and small intestine meridians. Form 2. Rotate the body to open up the liver and gallbladder meridians. Form 3. Fist clench with cross steps for kidney and bladder meridian flow. 30 reps per set. Nourish the liver and spleen. Not running or jumping for 10 minutes every day brings a good mood. 5 moves to save your knees. Action 1. Hook both feet simultaneously. Action 2. Alternate toe lifts. Action 3. Stand on tiptoe with both feet at the same time. Action 4. Cross your legs and stand on tiptoe. Action 5. Hold your fists between your knees and rotate your toes inward and outward.